The story is about Samantha, who used to live a carefree life, but as she approached her 30s, she realized the importance of a solid financial portfolio. She sought help from a financial advisor and built a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Over time, Samantha's portfolio grew, and she felt a sense of pride and security knowing that she was taking control of her financial future. Her portfolio gave her the freedom to continue living life on her own terms without worrying about the future. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to create a solid financial portfolio and set you on the path to financial success. Building a strong financial portfolio can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're new to investing. But with the right approach, you can create a portfolio that helps you meet your financial goals and secure your financial future. Before then, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notification, and win giveaways. Let's start with the basics. A financial portfolio is a collection of assets that you own, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other investments. A strong portfolio is diversified, meaning that it contains a mix of different types of investments that are spread across different sectors and industries. The first step to building a strong financial portfolio is to establish your investment goals. Ask yourself, what are your short-term and long-term financial goals? Do you want to save for a down payment on a house or pay for your child's college education? Or are you saving for your retirement? Once you have established your investment goals, it's time to start investing. One of the most important things to consider is your risk tolerance. Risk tolerance refers to how comfortable you are with taking risks when it comes to investing. Some people are willing to take on more risk in exchange for potentially higher returns, while others prefer lower risk investments with more predictable returns. Next, you'll want to consider the types of investments you want to make. Stocks, bonds, and mutual funds are all popular investment options. Stocks represent ownership in a company, while bonds are debt securities issued by companies or governments. Mutual funds are a collection of investments managed by professionals. It's important to diversify your investments to minimize risk. This means investing in different sectors, such as technology, healthcare, and finance, as well as different types of investments. By diversifying, you'll spread your risk across multiple investments, so if one investment performs poorly, you won't lose all your money. Another important factor to consider is asset allocation. Asset allocation is the process of dividing your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and cash. This helps to balance your portfolio and reduce your overall risk. Generally, younger investors can afford to take on more risk, as they have a longer time horizon to recover from any losses. On the other hand, older investors may want to focus more on lower-risk investments, such as bonds. In conclusion, building a strong financial portfolio takes time, patience, and a sound investment strategy. By establishing your investment goals, understanding your risk tolerance, diversifying your investments, and allocating your assets properly, you can build a portfolio that helps you achieve your financial goals and secure your financial future. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.